How to take a screenshot and screen record on your Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to capture your entire screen, then press the command plus shift plus 3 option keys on your keyboard. This instantly captures your entire display, including all desktops, if you use multiple monitors. The screenshot appears on your desktop by default. And if you want to capture a portion of the screen, then press the command plus shift plus 4 keys on your keyboard. Your pointer changes to a crosshair. So click and drag to select the exact area you want to capture and then release the mouse to take the screenshot. You can also add spacebar to toggle between area and window mode. And in order to use the screenshot toolbar, press the command plus shift plus 5 keys on your keyboard. This you will see an on-screen toolbar with options to capture full screen, capture selected window, capture a selected portion, record the entire screen, or record a selected portion or set timer, location, or whether the pointer appears. Use this when you want to custom control or video record. So this is how you can take a screenshot and record the screen on your Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.